Oh yeah, did I tell you guys that the basement leaks when it rains? Oh yeah. Basement leaks when it rains, it all came right back. It all came right back. Roof leaks. She wants to get me for this water damage. Her roof leaks. Okay? Alright? This is all evidence. This is all fucking proof. She's lucky she cleaned all this shit up. Let's look at oh. And way over here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. See? Basement leaks. That's where all the mold came from. That's where the landlord had his wires spliced into my fucking internet. And the phone guy told me about it. Wasn't too happy about that. Yeah, I couldn't figure out how see how it leaks. Yeah, it leaks. It leaks when it rains. Oh yeah. Oh. See, she's trying to blame this shit on me. You know? She's trying to say that, look at this shit. Leaking way over here even. All soaking wet. Yeah, look at all that water. See, she was raining pretty good last night. This is the way it's going to always happen. This is the way it always is. Look at the fucking mold, people. Huh? Look at the fucking mold, people. Look at the fucking mold. Vern said he came down here when it was raining one time. He said the fucking water was just pouring in here. It was just pouring in here. He's like, God damn. Maybe that's why he put all her shit down here. So it can get all destroyed. Landlord's smart by putting all this shit up. Somebody coaching there. Look at this shit. Just look at this shit. Is that a new faucet handle? See? It leaks. Look at that. It fucking leaks. Look at that. Look at the fucking mold. Look at that mold. So I'm coughing about every motherfucking day. Yeah! Every fucking day, I'm coughing up fucking mold. She won't take care of it. Nah. She says, Carl, if it bothers you that much, maybe you need to fix it. It ain't bothering her. It ain't bothering her. No, it ain't bothering her. She ain't got to breathe this shit in. I think when she comes down here, she puts a towel over her face or something. I'm just letting y'all know. I got to go to court Friday. And she's going to try to screw me for water damage. Okay, what the fuck ever. Toilet leak, where's this water coming from, man? Is it coming from your roof? And? Is this water coming from your roof? And? Is your basement flooded out because your basement leaks? Look at that pipe, it's ready to break again. Ready to break again. Her nephew said that the Ragazis don't fix shit until it breaks. That's what he said. And then I told her that. And she said, oh, Jason's a freaking idiot. He should never even be saying shit like that. Well, he says it's true. It's fucking so true. They don't fix shit until it breaks. Toilet was leaking last night. No, not toilet. The roof was leaking last night. There's your rain. Flooded out. Like I said, April showers would bring May flowers, and this place is fucking flooded out again. And where's the mold coming from? Leaks. And if you're watching this, tell you, to fix the problem, fix the issue, fix your roof, get your basement sealed, get your fucking driveway fixed, you know? You know, if you're going to have 2 renters here, you got to have some place for them to rent. I've been parking my car in the back there because that's where I've been told to park. And you tell me I need to find another place to park. What the fuck ever. You've been wanting to get rid of me since the day you fucking took over. And I regret you ever taking over. I regret ever telling you this place was for fucking sale. I regret ever meeting you. You're so goddamn evil. You want to kick me out for what? Because you can't afford to fix this place? You can't afford to keep this place? It's called foreclosure. Wake up. Click.